Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the direct and managed project work. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, when we talk about direct and managed project work, basically it's a process defined in the project integration management, which is basically a knowledge area as defined by project management body of knowledge, PMBOK. Now what does it mean actually? Basically, friend, there is an institute called as Project Management Institute, PMI, which defines the standards for the project management, and the book which contains all the standards and best practices for project management, that is called as Project Management Body of Knowledge, or PMBOK. Now in the PMBOK guide, there is basically a knowledge area called as integration management. Integration management means that there are several aspects related to a project, like for example scope, time, cost, risk, issues, procurement. So one of the knowledge area is called as integration management, which deals with all those aspects of a project. So once, if you can manage the scope, if you manage the cost, if you can manage the procurement, obviously you can manage the project as well. So in the integration management, there is a process that is called as direct and managed project work as defined by PMBOK guide, Project Management Body of Knowledge. This process is part of the project execution phase and involves coordinating and overseeing the actual work required to complete the project. So that means basically once you have developed the project management plan, once the project management plan is basically developed, then you will start execution of the project. That means actually the project is started in terms of development, in terms of execution. For example, you have to build an e-commerce mobile application, for example. So initially you do the planning, you do the project management plan, you do all the scoping, etc. Then the actual development will start. So once the actual software development start, that is basically where the role of direct and managed project work came. So see, there are two terms, direct and managed. Direct means you are giving the direction. Management means that if there is any management required, if there is any correction required, so you manage the project work. So basically direct and managed project work is basically a part of execution. Now the process objective. Friend, the main objective of this process, direct and managed project work, is to ensure that the project work is executed in accordance with the project management plan. The project management plan which you have already developed before this process, should the work is executed as per the project management plan. The key activities which performed in the direct and managed project work, first one is the execute project management plan. That means like for example, you have mentioned that first we have to do the software development, then do the quality assurance, then do the deployment, etc. So execute the project management plan as you have already planned. Then manage project team. That means supervise the project team members like software developers, the team members, so they are effectively contributing to the project activities. Then conduct the quality assurance. Quality assurance means, friend, that whatever the work has been defined as per the scope document should be delivered accordingly to the customer. So ensure that the project activities and deliverables adhere to the quality standards defined in the project management plan should be properly maintained. Distribute the information about the project progress to all the stakeholders like CTO, customer, project management, customer stakeholders, so that they all knows that what is the progress and how they are moving forward. Next is the responsibilities which involve in this process. First one is the project manager. Project manager should take a lead in directing and managing the project work because he knows all the things about project. Ensure that work is executed in alignment with the project management plan. Manage the project team and addresses any issues that may arise during the project execution. Monitor and controlling project work to ensure it stays on track. For example, you have decided that the project should be completed in 5 months. If you notice that project is not going as per the required speed, so you have to take the correct action in that scenario as well. Project team, mainly the team which actually developing the project, which actually executing the project, carries out assigned tasks and activities according to the project plan, collaborate with other team members to achieve project objectives, and report progress and issues to the project manager so that he should be up to date about the project in this case. The tools and techniques which we use here, first one is the project management information system. Just think of this as a software tool. Normally we use project MS Microsoft project, or you can use Jira software. Basically this software used to manage project information, track progress, and communicate with other stakeholders as well. Also, the another tool and technique is the expert judgment. Expert judgment means the person who has the expert knowledge. For example, you need some technical information that how to do this task, what are the best practices to complete this task. So expert judgment is also a very important factor here, or you can say tool and technique. The output is basically the deliverable. A deliverable means, for example, in the project you have decided, for example, you have decided that you will deliver a mobile application. So mobile application is a deliverable. Tangible result or output is called a deliverable. Then work performance data, that means information about the project progress, including status, cost, schedule, performance. All those are the work performance data. It should be stored somewhere so that it can be easily retrieved as well. Change request, another output. For example, it was decided as per the scope document that 5 modules needs to be developed, but after that process you realize that customer need one more module, so it should be considered as a change request, and which require additional effort and additional cost as well. Project management plan updates, that means modification to the project management plan based on actual performance and feedback as well. Then friend, considerations are very important here. Few consideration, that means the project manager must continuously monitoring the project work to identify and address any issues promptly if any correction is required. Communication is also very important. That open and effective communication is crucial during this process to ensure everyone is aware of their roles and responsibilities. The project manager should be adaptable and ready to make adjustments if the project encounters unexpected challenges in this case. So these considerations are also very important. Then integration with other processes, that means direct and project work is closely linked with other project management processes, especially those in the execution and monitoring and controlling phases. So in summary, direct and managed project work is about translating the project management plan into action. It involves leading the project team, ensuring the quality of work, and making necessary adjustment to keep the project on track. The process requires effective communication, continuous monitoring, and ability to address issues promptly to ensure project success. So friend, direct and managed project work is a very important and process in the project management, and should have a very clear understanding about this process. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.